There was a young man named Malik who was suffering from many worries and pressures in his life. He worked long hours and did not have time for himself or his loved ones. He always felt tired and exhausted, and he did not know how to rid himself of these negative feelings. One day, while Malik was walking in the garden, a man caught his attention. An old man was sitting on a wooden bench under a large tree. The old man was smiling calmly, and his face was bright. Malik felt a desire to sit with this old man, so he approached him and greeted him. Malik asked the old man, "How do you maintain this calm and serenity in light of all these pressures that we face in our lives?" The old man replied, "I have learned that psychological comfort does not come from the outside, but rather comes from within. We are the ones who have control over our thoughts and feelings, and we are the ones who can transform pressures into opportunities for growth and development." Malik asked him, "How can I do that?" The old man replied, "There are many ways that help you achieve psychological comfort, including prayer and worship. Prayer and worship are among the most important ways to achieve psychological comfort. Prayer brings us closer to God Almighty and makes us feel safe and tranquil. Meditation. Set aside some time every day to meditate and focus on your breath. This helps you clear your mind and get rid of negative thoughts. Gratitude. Write a list of the things you appreciate in life, your life, whether it is material or moral things. This helps you focus on the positives in your life. Exercising. Exercising regularly helps you secrete happiness hormones and improves your mood. Spending time in nature. Spending time in nature helps you relax and feel calm. Helping others. Helping others gives a wonderful feeling of satisfaction. And happiness, remember that psychological comfort is a journey, not a destination. Do not expect to become happy all the time. Life is full of challenges, but with practice and patience, you will be able to achieve psychological comfort and live a happier and more satisfied life. In conclusion, remember that psychological comfort is your responsibility. Do not wait for anyone to make you happy, but rather start by changing yourself and your life for the better.